attempt to finish putting the 18s on. I'm going to do the passenger front over there and then work on the back. I'm going to do the front over there first because then I'm going to turn the car around so it's facing the opposite direction so I can use the light back here. I mean, I have this light too, but there's not much room back in here, so that's that. I'm in quite a bit of pain because I have an infected tooth. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this side of my face is pretty swollen and it hurts, so I don't know how much talking I'm really gonna do, but you'll get the idea. Alright, so I was moving the car over a little bit so I had some more room on the other side, and something that I never took into account was when I turn, will it rub? And the answer is yes. So I marked out what I need to cut yet on the back side here. I'll probably go a little bit more than that. And then on the front, same thing. And I'll probably take a little bit more than that just to be safe, but yeah. So I'm going to do that first. This side is taking me a lot longer than I thought it would. Like I said, I forgot about turning. So it's just a lot of like back and forth. So I turn the wheel one way, see if it hits, which here it didn't, but it's super freaking tight, so I'm just going to take some more off it. You can see the marks that I made there. It's hitting right here, I believe. But yeah, it's just a lot of back and forth, so I'll turn it one way, see if it hits, mark it, and then while it's turned, cut the other side, which this one I got to trim just a little bit more off until I meet the mark, and then I got to trim that off. And then I'll turn it back to the right and trim the back. Just keep going back and forth. I mean, like I said, it's been taking longer than I thought, so this video might not be what I thought it was going to be. But yeah, I mean, I'm just going to keep moving. That's all I can do to keep my mind off of my face. So, yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Stand right here. Look. Stand right here. Back up. Stand right here. Now watch the bumper. I'm going to turn the tire and tell me if it hits. Okay? Tell me if it hits. Okay. Ready? Is it hitting?
A little bit.
Yep.
It did.
It's hitting.
Yeah.
Pretty sure you were standing in the way of the camera. But yeah. So. Yeah, it's still hitting. I'm gonna have to take some more away right here. And right there. Okay.
Daddy, you still have your black tires on your car.
Alright, so like I said, I'm probably not gonna get to any of the other ones today. Yeah, my face is killing me, so probably just gonna finish up this front here, and then I gotta take a little bit more off of here and some off of this spot right here, and then I'll probably just mark out the other three, and that'll be that. Yeah, because my face hurts. Alright, so I figured out, well, I think I figured out what it was hitting on the back side here. This piece. Let me see if I can hold the light. Hold you and point. So, give me 1 second here. Alright, so it was hitting right here, I'm pretty sure. And then you can see where it angles back in here. I grinded that off right here. It used to come straight down and then in. I'm hoping that's enough. If not, I mean, I can go farther before I get into where it'll separate itself. I'm hoping. So, yeah. And then up front, it's still hitting there, so I'll take some more off of that. Everything else is pretty good, except for down in there. It's hitting there too. Like I said, it's a trial and error thing. I cut a little bit, turn the wheel, cut a little bit, turn the wheel, back and forth until it's good. I don't know if I'm going to get to the other side or the back today, but I'm at least going to mark them all out. So, like I said, guys, my face hurts. I'm just trying to get some content out there for you, pretty much. So bear with me. Backside, pretty much good here, I think. Like I said, I'm probably going to end up getting a new washer fluid reservoir, because if I hit a bump, that's probably going to go bye-byes. And see how close that line is. But anyway, it's pretty much full lock there. It's not hitting anything at all, but it's really close down here too. So I'm probably gonna end up taking more off of here at some point. Not today, because face. Anyway, I got this pretty well taken care of up here. I don't think it's gonna hit anything. This fender liner, I'm probably going to screw fast up here for now, so it's not hanging, and then it'll be out of the way for the most part. But yeah, I'm gonna set these down and turn the wheel and see if it hits anything up here. Alright, there you saw it. It didn't hit anything. It's really close to that still. Might knock that back a little farther. And then right here, it's really close. I'll just, round that off a little bit more there. Everywhere else is pretty good, except for right in here. I might take that back some right here too, just for the sake of doing it and making sure it's not going to hit anything. But back here, like I said, on that piece here, I had to take quite a bit more of it off. Not a whole lot, but it turns all the way now and doesn't hit anything, so that's good. It's what I wanted. Like I said, the windshield washer fluid reservoir, it's probably gonna have to go, because it's freaking huge. It goes from here all the way down and back into here, and it's pretty much just in the way. It's not really hitting, but if I hit a bump it might, especially these lines right here. So I'm probably gonna get a smaller one and put it somewhere different, because yeah, need all the room I can get in these fenders. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna mark out the back, both backs, and the passenger side. Probably clean up and be done for the day. Like I said, guys, my face is killing me and I just wanted to get some content out to you guys. Hopefully I'll be able to make some more progress in like a week or two. We'll see. Alright, I got all of them marked out. I don't know how well you guys can see this. I put the flashlight away already. There's the line. It's pretty much just on the, there's a body line there. It's flat right here, and then it rolls up to this line. It's pretty much just that flat spot. Now the back ones shouldn't have too much issue with. It's just a matter of like hitting bumps and stuff, because they don't turn. So like from right here up and around to about right here, and you guys can't really see. I apologize, I need to get more lights. But anyway, here's the front one, the one that's done. You guys have seen already. Just need to get the little bit here done, a little more, and then start working on the kit. But of course I'm gonna cut them all out first and then do that. But and then there's this one marked. You can't really tell, but there's the line. Of course, that's just a start here line, like the other side. I cut it many times. And then there's this one. You can't really see again because the lighting is terrible in my barn. But anyway, that's going to do it for this upload. If you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Check me out on Instagram at @just_another_car dude, and I'll see y'all on the next one.